Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today we are going to be talking about posture. And we're going to start by defining what it is. So, posture is really simple. It's the way in which your body holds itself during different activities, whether that be sitting, standing, lying down. And the whole purpose of posture, we're talking about it, is your body's trying to support you against gravity. And having really good posture not only makes you look taller and look more confident, but it puts a lot less stress on your body and it allows it to work optimally so that we don't have any joints that are getting worn out sooner or working harder than they should or locked up, and then we don't have muscles that are working too hard or too little. They're doing exactly what they're intended to do, and we tend to feel better, we tend to look better, and we tend to have a better outlook on life because we actually get more oxygen to our brains and more good information into our nervous system. Just some benefits of good posture. So things that you can look at for good posture, just a quick scan of yourself. So kind of looking at your body, whatever position we're in, we want everything to be neutral. So we want everything to be stacked is the way that I like to describe it. So when we're standing, so we want our head over our shoulders over our hips over our knees, and our knees over our ankles. And if all of that is happening the way that it should be, we don't have any areas that are working too hard or working too little or receiving more stress. So that means it's less pain, a lot less tension, less stressful feelings, a whole bunch of other great things. And the way that we can really affect this is by improving joint position, which is what we do as chiropractors. We adjust joints to make sure that they have proper motion. And then we can retrain muscles with simple functional exercises so that they are doing exactly what they are intended to do. So hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.